trial.
Okay, as you guys saw there, I died from this guy because he was sniping me, and then I fell into this cave, and then he came in and he killed me with a sword, and it was just this map. I'm usually good at maps on this, okay? Ah, gosh, that was lag. It just like teleported back up. There's these guys that killed me earlier. They're running away like babies. Run away! Run away! Yes, run away, babies. Run away! Run away!
I'm being chased. I'm chasing a blue.
Run away.
I'm also getting chased by a blue.
You're never gonna kill me because I have a boat. Oh, I used to have a boat. Oh, there's so many reds. I need to get a good vantage point.
Dude, this one kid killed my teammate, and then I killed him, and I was like, yes.
And I'm all killing this guy right here, just like hardcore, baby. Just powering through these guys.
Killing them.
Power through these guys like people.
Oh, he has resistance. Oh, I can't kill him.
I must kill you. All of you must die. This is the guy that was killing me earlier. Yes! Yes! Yes, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. And he's dead forever. He's probably gonna come down and get me because he wants revenge on me. Yeah, you better run. Yeah, you better run. Huh? This guy's hiding behind us because he's scared. He's scared. Scared of everybody that's gonna kill. And he's running away.
I only got 5 kills.
He's running away like a baby.
I only got 5 kills in a row. That sucks. Well, then again, those 5 people didn't kill me, so.
Okay, guys, so that's Team Deathmatch for you. I will put the description. I will put the IP in the description below.
And don't forget to link me and your friend.
Yeah, and also check out Friendly Enderman's channel. He has a YouTube channel, and he's my partner that I'm recording with right now. And so this is Popcorn 898.
There's 15 blues on me.
Signing out. Peace.